Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of My Hungry Family. Today we're making white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any videos. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup brown sugar, a half cup sugar. Mix together. Add 2 large eggs and mix together. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Continue mixing. Add in 2 3/4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and mix together. Add 1 1/2 cups of white chocolate chips. Lightly chop some macadamia nuts. Add in 1 1/2 cups. Mix together. Scoop the mixture into small balls onto a lined baking tray. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And out come some delicious white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Sweet with a salty aftertaste that makes you want to eat another one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. We don't make it unless it's delicious.